Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I guess take two since the camera said I had a memory card problem. Anyway, I forgot my tripod at home and my ultrapod and my backup tripod. So I have to handheld everything, and I'm also using this table. And I got a little stick here, hold prop the camera up. And I gotta do what you gotta do. Finally got my fires going, so I'm gonna get my noodles going. Calzone Outdoors sent me these. So I'm going to give them a try. I'm also going to be adding some Knorr vegetable mix as well. And I've got a can of chicken here. Because it was cheaper than the pouches, and you actually get more of it too. It's like 5 ounces versus like 2. So I add the seasoning to my mix, and I apologize for the camera angles. Throw in the soup mix first. About half. Oh, don't you dare fall over on me. All right. Two mixes in here for the noodles. And I get this. Well, that thing is, I'm gonna stick that in my pocket and hopefully warm it up. It's kind of stiff because it's a little chilly out here. Go ahead and get. There we go. Oh, this is quite hot. Got the king of flavor here, MSG. Pretty sure we got a boil, and we do. Go ahead and throw the chicken in too. I hope you guys can see that. Give it a little close up, that's what I'm looking at. Man, not having a tripod really sucks. I think she's done. Let's get her off. Pull the grate. Man, the fire's throwing off a lot of heat for how much moisture was in there. Okay, so confession, I actually have done this meal before. I've done the exact same meal before. Ramen, veggie soup mix, Knorr veggie soup mix, and but because my bro Chris had sent this to me, Calzone Outdoors, I felt obligated to go out and shoot a video. Because why not? And you know, despite everything, you know, ramen I don't know, is it safe to say it's like one of the outdoor staples as far as food goes? I mean, usually they're, you know, they're inexpensive, they're good, they're versatile. I mean, you can, if you can think it, you could probably do it. I mean, you could do, man, sky's the limit. Meat, fish, man, anything. So I don't think you're just limited to chicken and soup mix, but you can do all kinds of cool stuff. So let me, I'll get the other camera out and I'll give you a close-up of the meal. And then so here she is. So I got the soup in there, got the noodles, got a little bit of chicken in there. It's probably gonna be 1,000 degrees, but it's all right. What's a 3rd-degree burn to the mouth? Wow, is the spoon not gonna cooperate? Well, it's crazy. There's like 2 trees and they're rubbing together in just a certain way, so it sounds like there's something out there. And that's what I'm gonna go with. You can probably hear it. I'm sure it's not impending doom. It's kind of a unique taste to it. Not in a bad way. Yeah, I like the soup. It's pretty good. The only downside is a spork. At least one like this. You gotta make sure that the spoon side is clean so you can use the fork. Get a little bit of noodle here. It really sucks not having a tripod, but hey, you know, I made the best of it. I still got a fire going. I still got some lunch in. I still got a little dirt time. And yeah, I mean, it wasn't a total bust. I just, you know, forgot something. It's got a really interesting, like, almost kind of a sweetness to it. It's not bad. Of course, I can counter that sweetness with some Texas Pete. So, anyway, well, I'm losing focus. Come on, camera. What are you doing? Huh. Well, that was weird. Like the autofocus decided to stop working on me. Anyway, I wanted to thank you for watching, and if you missed yesterday's, well, I guess Fired Up Friday, it'll be linked below and also be on the end. Chris's channel will be linked below and also on the end as well, so if you want to go check him out. Real cool guy, real cool guy. And yeah, thanks again for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.